तेव्हा विरोधकांकडून अर्थसंकल्पावरती टीका होत असताना इथे राजकीय पक्षांना गुप्त पद्धतीने मिळणाऱ्या अमाप फंडिंगला मोदी सरकारने वेसण घातली आहे। कारण यापुढे 2000 रुपयांवरील रक्कम स्वीकारताना राजकीय पक्षांना फक्त चेक आणि ई पेमेंटनच ती घ्यावी लागेल। आज अरुण जेटली यांनी अर्थसंकल्पात त्याची घोषणा केली। राजकीय पक्षांना मिळणाऱ्या फंडिंगमध्ये पारदर्शकता असायला हवी अशी सूचना निवडणूक आयोगाने केली होती। त्याचं सर्वच राजकीय पक्षांनी स्वागत केलं होतं, मात्र सर्वानुमते याचा निर्णय घ्यावा असंही म्हटलं होतं। मात्र आज केंद्राने मोठी घोषणा करून राजकीय पक्षांना देखील दणका दिलाय।
Political parties continue to receive most of their funds through anonymous donations which are shown in cash. An effort therefore requires to be made to cleanse the system of political funding in India. Donors have also expressed reluctance in donating by check and other transparent methods, as it would disclose their identity and entail adverse consequences. I therefore propose the following system as an effort to cleanse the system of funding of political parties. A. In accordance with the suggestion made by the Election Commission, the maximum amount of cash donation that a political party can receive will be 2,000 from any one source. B. Political parties will be entitled to receive donations by check or in the digital mode from their donors. C. As an additional step, an amendment is being proposed to the Reserve Bank of India Act to enable the issuance of electoral bonds in accordance with a scheme that the Government of India would frame in this regard. Under this scheme, a donor could purchase bonds from authorized banks against checks and digital payment only. These would be redeemable only in the designated account of a registered political party. These bonds will be redeemable within a prescribed time from the issuance of the bond. Every political party would have to file its returns within the time prescribed in accordance with the provisions of the Income Tax Act.